Hi, this is Daniel with Pre-Owned Motor Cars. Just wanted to show you another new arrival. This one's our 2016 Toyota 4Runner. This one's an SR5. It is 4x4 and it's got the third row too. This one's got brand new tires. Running board's already installed. And here's the tire condition in the back. These are brand new too. This one's got cloth seats, power driver seat though. The seats are actually in pretty good condition too. Easy to use controls here on the steering wheel. This will be for your info screen up here, radio controls as well, and then you get your Bluetooth. You get a nice touch screen for your infotainment. There's your 4x4 shifter. This one also has the power sliding rear window, which is really nice. Lots of room for passengers or cargo in the back, and the seats do fold down pretty flat, which is nice. You got chargers in the rear here too, and you also have AC vents as well. That's what it looks like with the third row down. Here's your cargo space with the third row up. And I just gotta knock the seats down. But this one's got really low miles for its year too. It only has about 42,000 miles. So if you've been looking for something like this, please give us a call at 808-334-1111 and ask for Daniel. Even if you have questions or just need info, just give us a call, or you can even stop by. Just remember to ask for Daniel. And this is Pre-Owned Motor Cars right here in Kona, right next to McDonald's. Thanks for watching.